Owilin Aldaya, 17 years old. I live at Barangay Bagong 91, Antipolo City, Rizal. I am a graduate of senior high school in the University of Rizal System, Antipolo campus, with honors last April 5. In school, I am the president of the Red Cross Youth Organization, and in fact, I am a licensed first aider. In my free times, I do my hobbies, such as reading, writing short stories, doing some calligraphies, singing, dancing, and of course, watching Korean dramas. My parents were ceramic painters, but because life is tough, my father left no choice but to go and work abroad. I have one sibling, and he also graduated elementary last April 5 and recognized as the top 10 of his class. Like other families, we also experience struggles and problems in life. We also reach to the point of having rice and soy sauce as our meal. In school, on the other hand, it is very difficult to manage time and meeting deadlines on the same time because senior high school life is more on experience learning. But one of the most excited part of senior high school life is gaining and achieving achievements like winning first place in the essay writing, second place in pagsulat ng sanaysay, joining Sumaka Festival last May 1, 2017, and Christmas Choral competition held at the Sumulang Park last December 10, 2017, and also, of course, graduated with honors. But then, I am grateful to have my parents and my friends as an inspiration to support me every time, and I will do my best in my studies for them. I dare to dream. I want to be a civil engineer someday, and when the time comes that I receive my diploma, I will do and work hard for my family. I will give back to them, and I will give them a better life. AdmitAll is an online marketplace where you can see the list of universities and colleges that offers discounted tuition fees. So what are you waiting for? Sign up now in AdmitAll company and have a voucher and discounted tuition fees in your desired school. And don't forget to like their Facebook page, Aaron, your AdmitAll buddy.